Ciao amici! Welcome back to another episode of the Furry Italian Odyssey. I'm your host, Junita Arneld, and this here fluffy ball of joy is my trusty companion, Coco the Sila SheepDog. Today, we're taking a trip down memory lane as we reminisce about our winter holiday in the charming town of Radovljica, Slovenia. So, grab a cup of hot cocoa, snuggle up with your furry friends, and let's dive into our snowy adventure! The quaint little town that stole our hearts with its old-world charm and delightful surprises around every corner. And where did we stay? None other than the cozy Gostilna Lectar Hotel, home to the Gingerbread Museum. Coco here sure enjoyed his beauty sleep in that comfy hotel room. Just look at him, all snuggled up and dreaming of gingerbread treats. Yummy, yummy. Coco couldn't contain his excitement, bounding through the snow with his tail wagging like a fluffy flag in the wind. Of course, no trip to Slovenia is complete without visiting the iconic Lake Bled. And there you have it, folks, our furry Italian Odyssey in Slovenia filled with gingerbread dreams, snowy adventures, and unforgettable memories. Join us next time for more wholesome escapades on the furry Italian Odyssey.